To reserve tables, click the menu button in the top right corner and select Table Reservations. On the left-hand column, you'll see your tables organized by room. This view shows all reservations that have assigned tables. Choose a specific time for a table, and if needed, adjust the time using the arrows on either side. From here, you can add another table, block a time slot, or create a reservation. In this example, we'll add another table to our reservation. Make sure both tables have the same start and end times. Enter the guest information, then click Confirm. Now, if you click the reservation, you'll see the tables chosen, along with options to change the seating duration or adjust the start time. Click a chosen table to remove it, or click another table to add it to the reservation. When you're done, click Done in the top right corner. The blue circle around the tables indicates that these tables have an upcoming reservation. This can be adjusted in Settings. You can also reserve tables by selecting a reservation, then clicking Reserve Tables at the bottom. Choose the seating duration, select your table, and click Done. To remove table reservations, simply deselect the tables, then click the back arrow.